Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to expand your investment portfolio with a touch of Irish flair, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to invest in iShares Ireland, a popular range of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, managed by BlackRock that give you exposure to the Irish market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this guide will help you get started quickly and smartly. First off, what exactly is iShares Ireland? It's a collection of ETFs that track various aspects of the Irish economy, like the stock market or specific sectors such as technology or finance. These funds are designed for easy trading on major stock exchanges, making them a great option for diversification. Why invest here? Ireland has a strong economy with tech giants and a growing financial sector, which can add balance to your global portfolio and potentially offer solid returns. Now, let's walk through the steps to get you invested. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable online broker like Vanguard, Fidelity, or one that operates in your country, ensuring they offer access to international ETFs. Step 2. Do your research. Look up specific iShares Ireland funds, such as the iShares MSCI Ireland ETF, and check their performance, fees, and holdings on BlackRock's website. Step 3. Fund your account. Deposit money from your bank, and make sure to consider any currency conversion if you're not in euros. Step 4. Place your order. Once you're ready, buy the ETF just like you would a stock, deciding on the amount based on your budget and risk tolerance. Of course, no investment is without risks. The Irish market can be volatile due to global economic factors, Brexit impacts, or currency fluctuations if you're investing from outside the EU. Always diversify and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you're new to this, consider consulting a financial advisor. Wrapping up, investing in iShares Ireland is a straightforward way to tap into Ireland's dynamic market. Remember, stay informed, monitor your investments, and keep learning. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investment tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.